Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode of PBS Executive, the podcast series by PCIT's Pune Business School, where we bring inspiring leaders to share their journeys and their insights. I'm your host Apeksha, and today we are joined by Devashish Konojia sir, the founder of The Storycard Digital Solutions and the co-founder of eBus Store. He is a digital strategist who helps businesses grow online. So, in this podcast, we'll talk about his journey, his thoughts on the future digital marketing, and entrepreneurship, and much more to cover. So, first of all, welcome, sir, to PBS.
Thank you so much, and good evening to you also.
Good evening, sir. So, sir, we'll begin this podcast with your journey because I believe every company or every organization has its some background.
Right.
So, what is your background and what is the story card?
Okay. My professional journey started in I think 2001-2. Okay. I'm from Kolkata, so my education and everything was in Calcutta itself. I came to Bombay for my first job in GTL. So after that, after 1 year, I shifted to Pune into the IT domain. After that, I worked with companies like Infosys, Wipro, and my last IT company was Fujitsu, wherein I worked for around 9 years, and I resigned as a employee manager with senior consultant level. So the first half of my career was totally into IT, and after that a point came down the line wherein I thought that okay, after IT अब क्या करना है लाइफ में, आगे हम क्या और अपॉर्चुनिटी कर सकते हैं, and that's where I decided कि enough of this IT job and everything, I want to do something more in life. So there came a point that I decided to quit my IT career, and since content creation, content creativity, I had a creativity angle right from very beginning. So I thought that why not try out this thing. So but I didn't knew where to start. So again, I left my IT career. I joined a print business magazine. There I have worked for around 2 years as an executive editor, wherein my job profile was to check all the profiles that were going in a one particular month. So from therein I learned how to use content, how to use professional content, कहाँ पर कैसे क्या जाना चाहिए. And after taking that experience, again I resigned and I started my own company, which is the Storycard Digital Solution. Primarily in the start, it was a content creation company. We were focusing only on content. But down the line, then COVID came, and down the line we expanded our verticals, and today it is a full-fledged digital marketing company. So this is how the journey progressed.
Oh, that's wonderful, sir.
Yeah.
So, starting talking about your business. So, starting any of the business or say your entrepreneurship journey, it comes along. The success comes along with the challenges, right?
True.
So, do you remember any such hurdles?
Challenges का लिस्ट तो बहुत लंबा होगा क्योंकि I'm a first generation business owner. Okay, never in my family no one has ever even thought कि business करना है. Even today I get calls from my relatives कि is everything going okay, all set, well and good, यही करना है क्या तुमको, अभी भी backtrack कुछ है क्या? I said no, but yes, challenges were obviously there. See, there's a very interesting story behind it. When we thought of making this company, we had 5 people, okay, and I was interested in only managing the content part of it, and there was a team of other 4 people. बट डाउन द लाइन जब हमारे पास ये आइडिया आया, हमने इस आइडिया को थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल टेस्ट किया, फिर जब तक हम इसको फाइनल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन लॉन्च तक लेके आते, आई वॉज द ओनली पर्सन हु वाज स्टैंडिंग एंड आई लॉस्ट 4 पीपल. सो एवरीथिंग वाज ऑन मी, एंड फ्रॉम देयर आई डिडंट, मतलब मेरे पास पीछे जाने का मेरे पास ऑप्शन नहीं था, because I never thought कि पीछे जाना is easy. But now that I have a choice, and by that time I had a vision of how can I take this entity forward. But yes, उस समय COVID भी था. It was like we just launched our company and COVID started in March. So definitely get like everything, skilled employees, clients, money, everything was a huge difficulty. But yes, there's always a silver lining to it. Somehow or the others, because COVID was a global issue, हम उसमें कुछ कर नहीं सकते. Either you step back and you fall back, or you have to sustain. So yes, कोविड के टाइम पे हमें बहुत सारी इशू हुई, और अभी भी वो चैलेंजेस अभी चलती रहती है, बिकॉज फाइनेंशियल क्रंच इज ऑलवेज अ थिंग. वी ऑलवेज वांट टू स्केल आवर कंपनी, एंड फॉर दैट financial crunch is there. We always need to find out investors or people who can support us or who can match our vision, because that is also very important. Getting good employees is always a difficult task in digital marketing industry, because digital marketing industry is all about creativity. अगर हम क्रिएटिव नहीं है, अगर हम सोच नहीं सकते, आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स आइडियाज नहीं ला सकते, तो आप कितना भी एकेडमिक्स में आप बहुत ब्रिलियंट हो, यू आर नॉट अ राइट फिट इन द डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कैटेगरी. So that is why these all challenges come down again and again. Again, client understanding is totally different matter. Client को समझाना कि कौन सा चीज कितना important है और ये क्यों इतना important है, हम ये ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं, that is still a big challenge. Though everyone is very digitalized today, सबके हाथों में फोन है, post COVID era, सब कोई यूज कर रहे हैं फोन, but still challenges are still there. But yes, that's our job, that's a parcel of our job. We have to make them understand, we have to educate them, and then we sell our products and services.
So after listening your story, I feel like it's really incredible that how you have changed your hurdles into the stepping stones or the milestones of your journey. So what I feel is, sir, in your industry, or basically in the digital solution industry, it's very competitive, and you blink an eye and you have new competitors emerge.
Right.
So how do you deal with that?
Okay. Yes, that is आपने एकदम point blank question है, because you know digital marketing in today's date, digital creator is something वो जो हर कहीं फैला हुआ है. Almost everyone has become a digital creator. Why? Because one thing, they have creativity, second they have technology in hand, and the third is the internet. I personally say that I find computer as the biggest invention to the mankind जो हुआ है. कंप्यूटर आने के बाद जो इंटरनेट आया है, आजकल पूरी दुनिया उसी में है. Every day, as you said rightly, every day in every corner or part of PCMC or everything, you'll find a digital agency. So how I keep myself ahead or how I keep myself different, I have to do market research and study about myself कि वो कौन से सर्विसेज हैं जो मैं अलग कर सकता हूँ, या वो कौन से सर्विसेज हैं जो क्लाइंट बहुत अच्छे से हमें यूज करता है. Second thing is staying connected with the client. Touchwood, till date, almost 95% of my clients are with me since I started post-COVID era. Why? Because I am still the face of the company. चाहे आज मेरी कंपनी का स्ट्रेंथ जितना भी बढ़ गया हो. Even I have social media managers, my entire team is there, but when it comes to client discussion, I am always the face. अगर client को कोई problem आया, तो I am still there to answer them. So this is how, क्योंकि client को अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ ठीक है, ये बंदा है always. Technology again plays a very important role game here. Client हमसे पूछते what are the new trending things coming up, यार बाहर में तो कुछ और वो दे रहा है, तो I should have an answer to that before they ask this question. I have to give suggestion to them कि sir, this is the new thing which has come up in the market and we should also try this. So these small things make up huge difference. Client feels happy. Client को अच्छा लगता है कि हम उनकी पेन प्रॉब्लम को समझे. Client को हमें सिर्फ बेचना नहीं है, क्लाइंट को हमें उनका जो पेन एरिया है वो समझने की बहुत ज़रूरत है. उनको किस चीज़ में डिफिकल्टी हो रही है, अगर हमने वो क्रैक कर लिया तो यू आर ऑलवेज इन द पिक्चर, चाहे कितने भी कंपनीज आपके आजू बाजू खड़े हो जाए.
Okay, so that's really very fascinating. So I have a mentor and a good friend of mine.
Okay.
So he is into marketing, not digital marketing, just marketing of agro products. So he usually says that बनाएगा तो कोई भी, सिर्फ बेचना आना चाहिए. So would you comment on that?
सिर्फ बेचना आना चाहिए, that's very very right, because if the tagline of my company is जो दिखा वो बिका। ऑलराइट, सो अगर आपको यू आर नॉट अवेयर, सी मार्केट में प्रोडक्ट इनोवेशन इन्वेंशंस बहुत सारे हो रहे हैं, एवरीडे हो रहे हैं, ठीक है। हम सेम प्रोडक्ट ही बेच रहे हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल यू कॉल अ डेंटिस्ट, देयर आर thousands of dentists in Pune, right? Every digital marketing agency has a dentist with them as a client. So how are we different? How are we selling them if we are not aware of the upcoming trends to follow? अभी जैसे क्लाइंट्स के जैसे रॉ वीडियोस बनाना, उनके कंटेंट लिखना, उनकी स्टोरी जानना, उनके इन डेप्थ उनके कस्टमर टेस्टिमनीज। पहले कस्टमर टेस्टिमनी सिर्फ रिटन होता था, आजकल कस्टमर टेस्टिमनीज इन वीडियो फॉर्मेट विच इज वेरी वेरी पॉपुलर and people like it. People like to know real story. They like to know the behind the scenes stories. So that is becoming very popular, and that makes the true difference.
Yeah.
So if I have answered that question to you.
Yes, sir. Yes. So, I feel that digital industry is really very fast forward, and it's moving with a great speed. Like it's constantly evolving itself. New innovations are coming. So how do you keep yourself on a cutting edge advantage, or how do you satisfy your clients?
How do I keep a cutting edge is again something you need to go back to the basics, and you need to study, you need to research, you need to go into the market. I have formed a team जो मेरे ऑफिस में बैठ के मेरा काम कर रही है, who is managing the operations. My job as a founder is to give them the roadmap for the next 5 years at least. So this is my job, and I think how do I do it? It is again because I have to study the entire industry, what is going on. मैं पीछे नहीं हो सकता कि कोई चीज अगर मार्केट में नहीं आई हो, I should be aware of it. अगर वो for example I have a client of healthcare, I have a client of automation, I have a client of say education, I have a client in fintech. So I have to be stay updated with all these activities which is happening. For example कोई भी जब budget आता है तो I have to study the entire budget कि क्या हुआ है क्या नहीं हुआ है. I have to get that finer points. अगर मान लीजिए कोई festival आ रहा है या कोई ट्रेजेडी कुछ हो गया है, ऐसा कुछ भी हो रहा है, आई हैव टू स्टे विथ एवरी स्मॉल थिंग सो दैट माई टीम इज ऑल्सो लूप्ड इन विथ मी. अगर मैं सही काम करूंगा, अगर वो मुझे देखते हैं तो वही वो फॉलो करते हैं. तो इसीलिए आई हैव टू शो देम द वे कि एवरीथिंग मॉर्निंग व्हेन यू कम डाउन यू हैव टू डू स्मॉल बेसिक रिसर्च वर्क ऑफ व्हाट योर क्लाइंट इज ऑल अबाउट. just doing repetitive work is not the case. एक साल में कंपनी बंद हो जाने वाली है आज के जमाने में, because it is very competitive. So research work is the key behind to it.
Okay, so I must say your vision is very clear about your
have
company.
to be, because we are in a very competitive state. As I said, हर जगह digital marketing agency है.
So sir, what I have noticed is many organizations feel that the digital business is really a tough landscape. So what advice would you give to them?
For who thinks it is a tough landscape?
Like consider small entrepreneurs. With,
Right. This is in fact a very good question.
Yeah.
Because in Pune, if you talk about specifically in Pune and in Pan India, अगर आप थोड़ा रिसर्च करेंगे तो जो स्मॉल माइक्रो एंड जो स्मॉल मीडिया बिजनेस सेगमेंट है, इट इज ह्यूज. जिसको हम मराठी में बोलते हैं शायद गृह गुत्ती, जिसको हम बोलते हैं स्मॉल, बिल्कुल माइक्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज. ठीक है, जो घरों में जो हाउसवाइफ्स ये बनाती है, रॉ पापड़ बनाते हैं, दीज टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज, वो पुणे में एंड इन पैन इंडिया इट इज मैसिव स्केल. दे आर नॉट अवेयर कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग क्या होता है, उनके लिए वो हो ही नहीं सकता. सो ऐसे लोगों को सबसे पहले समझाना, फॉर देम यस इट इज अ चैलेंज. व्हाई इट इज अ चैलेंज? बिकॉज डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के जो सर्विसेज हैं दे आर नॉट कि ऐसे आपने लाइक यू बाई अ मोबाइल फॉर कैश. उनके सर्विसेज आपको ऑर्गेनिकली बाद में आएंगे. लाइक योर ऑनलाइन मीडिया प्रेजेंस ग्रोज ग्रेजुअली. कोई ओवरनाइट मैजिक हम नहीं कर रहे हैं. सो और ये स्पेशली जो स्मॉल मीडियम माइक्रो सेगमेंट होता है, इनको ये समझाना हमको बहुत मुसीबत होती है कि व्हाई यू नीड टू टेक दिस स्टेप ऑफलाइन मार्केटिंग आज आप कर रहे हो, एक ग्रोसरी स्टोर, एक किराना स्टोर अपने एरिया में वो कर रहा था बिजनेस, बट आज हर किराने स्टोर की एक ही कहानी है, मेरा सैचुरेशन आ गया है, बिकॉज आजकल ऑनलाइन बहुत कुछ आ गया है, लोग अब मेरे पास आते ही नहीं है, सो व्हाट कैन आई डू? सो देयर इन वी पिच इन कि दिस इज वेयर यू नीड टू गो ऑनलाइन. Either you go into a e-commerce store or either you align with something like Zepto or other online platforms. So this is where आजकल एजुकेशन बहुत ज़रूरी हो गया है. क्लाइंट को ये समझ, बहुत सारे लोगों को समझ में भी आता है, बट स्टिल देयर इज अ ह्यूज चंक जिनको ये बात अभी भी समझना बाकी है कि डिजिटलाइजेशन इज नॉट ओनली फॉर एट अ बिगर लेवल. हम छोटे से छोटे लेवल में भी अगर आपके बिजनेस ऑफलाइन मोड में है तो उसको हम डिजिटल लाके हम उसका प्रेजेंस बढ़ा सकते हैं, हम उसका क्लाइंट वैल्यू बढ़ा सकते हैं. लोगों को जानना चाहिए कि पिंपरी के किसी एक कोने में कोई एक किराना स्टोर है, तभी वो बिकेगा. तो सबसे पहले आई फील इट वेरी पर्सनली, आई टेक दिस वेरी पर्सनली, मैं किसी को भी बेचने के पहले उसको एजुकेट करना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी समझता हूँ. And I think that is what makes me, that is very helpful for me also. Because जब client समझ जाता है कि okay, मुझे ये करना है तो इससे ये होने वाला है, client stays with me for a very long period of time. Because they start understanding what they are getting now and what they will be getting after 2 years, 3 years down the line.
Yeah, means you are saying that they need to connect with you for a longer duration.
Yeah, I mean not for me, to any digital agency. जो भी आजकल हर digital agency का ये होना ही चाहिए कि they need to educate people. And we are doing it. Mostly all successful brands, digital brands are doing this only. If you see, we are not selling products. We are just educating people. कि you need to do this so that you will reach at this platform. And this is a success mantra जो चल रहा है.
Yeah, it's truly commendable, sir. So, looking ahead, how do you envision the story card after 5 to 10 years?
How I look into my company, yes. By 2030, see, I'm in PCMC for around since many years. Like I think around 20 तो हो गया आराम से. So I aim to be, the number one or the numero agency in PCMC area, because PCMC area I find there is a huge potential, because अभी PCMC के बाद अभी Chakan and all the industrial states are coming up, are in huge demand. So मतलब मेरे जो maximum number of clients है, they are into industrial manufacturing and in the Chakan belt and all that area. So I find I want to see myself as the go-to digital person or the go-to digital in agency in PCMC. And by 2030, I think yes, I want to target the small and the micro medium segment specifically, and that is why, if as you said in my introduction, that I am also an co-founder of a platform which is called eBuzz. So that is again a multi-vendor e-commerce platform जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ micro and small medium enterprises के लिए हम बना रहे हैं अभी. That is just going about to be launched. So I think these two companies, these two brands will be at the limelight by 2030 in PCMC only.
Okay, I wish you good luck, sir.
Thank you so much.
So that's a bold and really inspirational vision of yours. So let's add in some humor into the conversation.
Sure.
So, if you could have a time machine, and let's say I give you an opportunity to go back then. So what is that one advice which you would like to give to your younger self?
Many. भाई तूने बहुत गलतियाँ की है लाइफ में. So मैं अगर टाइम मशीन में वापस जा सकता हूँ तो yes, definitely. The first thing is, as I said in today's conclave also, that you need to experiment in life. आपके पास आइडिया है, बट आप ये बोल के डर रहे हो कि पता नहीं ये चलेगा नहीं चलेगा, वो तब पता चलेगा जब आप ऑलरेडी वो करके देखोगे. तो yes, I stepped, मतलब पहले जब when I was about to start this company also, I was very insecure position. I was not sure whether this will work or not, but again down the line I think I met people who have a broader mindset, I would say, and they helped me by saying that, see, unless and until you dive into this, you cannot understand whether you will be able to pass or not.
Yeah.
So yes, knowledge is very important thing. So if I go back to time, मतलब अगर पीछे जाता हूँ मैं टाइम से, तो डेफिनेटली मैं और थोड़ा नॉलेज अगर गैदर कर पाता तो डेफिनेटली मेरी ये जर्नी और थोड़ी आसान होती. So knowledge is number one, and number two is this experimental nature. You have to think out of the box ideas so that आप ये काम पहले करो. गलत है या सही है इसको जानने के लिए भी आपके पास टाइम फिर बहुत रहता. So these are two things. Yeah.
So what I believe is to execute your plans or to execute your dreams, you must have a strong team which would align with your goals or which would follow your commands greatly. So what are the key skills or the qualities which you would look when hiring a team?
Yeah, very important. Because see, as a founder, I can only draw a roadmap.
Yeah.
Okay, वो roadmap को align होना वो मेरी टीम का काम है. तो इसीलिए personally I feel when I take an interview of any person, maybe a developer or a video editor or a graphic designer or a content writer, I do not go or I do not analyze the person or judge the person based on their skill set. What I see is their creativity or how much they can think out of the box. That is the only thing, because skill set we can develop. The last developer which I had for around 1.5 years, उसके इंटरव्यू होने के बाद he joined the company and then he did a master's course in WordPress development, and he did it from our expense. We paid the entire expense so that the developer can learn something, because I know कि अगर मैं developer पे invest कर रहा हूँ तो that will come to me in huge returns.
Yeah, sure.
It will give me huge return. In the same line, the employee will also feel very satisfied कि हाँ मेरे को यहाँ पे learning है. हर फाउंडर, हर ओनर का ये काम है कि उसके एम्प्लॉय को ये लगना चाहिए कि आई एम इन अ वेरी सिक्योर्ड प्लेस. हर दिन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे एम्प्लॉय को लगना चाहिए कि आई हैव लर्नड आउट समथिंग. इसके लिए सिस्टम एक सिस्टम होना चाहिए. आई ऑलवेज बिलीव इन डिफाइनिंग एसओपीज. एसओपी अगर आप अपने एम्प्लॉयज को देते हैं तो उनका काम सिर्फ रहता है उस एसओपी को फॉलो करना. मैं हमेशा अपनी टीम के साथ कम से कम हर एवरी 2 months उनको एक आउटिंग, और उनके साथ अगर इफ नॉट एन आउटिंग एटलीस्ट एक ऑफलाइन डिस्कशन आई डू विद देम. एंड इन दैट ऑफलाइन डिस्कशन इट इज नेवर अबाउट व्हाट यू हैव डन. इट्स ऑल अबाउट व्हाट यू वांट टू डू इन द नेक्स्ट 3 months, whether in my office or whether outside, whether in your freelance time, what you want to do and how you want to do. So that इससे होता क्या है, I also know about their families. उनको चाहे मेरी टीम कितनी भी बड़ी हो जाए, मुझे उनके बारे में जानना. आई हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम. These small things make a huge difference when I want them to meet all my deadlines. It helps me to reach my client's expectation. Client interaction बहुत ज़रूरी है. वो हमें खुद सिखाना पड़ता है अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को कि how to interact with the client. सिर्फ आई एम द फेस ऑफ द कंपनी, बट कुछ टाइम पे उनको भी बात करना पड़ता है क्लाइंट से. सो क्लाइंट कम्युनिकेशन, उनकी कम्युनिकेशन अच्छी होनी चाहिए. अगेन ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज आर देयर. दे लाइक आई ऑलवेज से टू माय एम्प्लॉयज, आओ काम करो, डू ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज सो दैट यू लर्न समथिंग न्यू. सो लर्निंग, कम्युनिकेशन, गिविंग देम एकदम क्लैरिटी ऑन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. These things helps my team to grow. This helps my team to learn, and this helps my team to give the type of results that me and my clients are expecting. And that is why ये लोग मेरी कंपनी में जो मेरे साथ काम कर रहे हैं, the minimum time frame जो रहते हैं it is around 1.5 years. उसके पहले कोई छोड़ के नहीं जा रहा मेरी कंपनी से. So I think these things work for me.
So I really love the way you think. So coming to the next question, in Pune Business School we have a specialized branch for marketing, like for specialization in marketing.
Okay.
So what piece of advice would you give to my batchmates who are interested in doing the career in marketing?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू, जो बुक में है वो तो इट्स वेरी ट्रू, ठीक है, बट उसके साथ साथ इन टुडेज जनरेशन आजकल के लोगों को प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आजकल इंटर्नशिप बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहा है, तो व्हेन यू आर डूइंग इंटर्नशिप यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द निटी-ग्रिटी ऑफ एवरीथिंग. जस्ट डोंट डू इट फॉर द सेक ऑफ डूइंग इट. मार्केटिंग एक ऐसा स्किल है जो हमें, एज यू सेड, बेचना आना चाहिए, लेकिन उस बेचने के पहले यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रोडक्ट. अगर फोन है या कुछ भी है, अगर आपके पास क्लैरिटी नहीं है बेचने की, तो आप नहीं बेच सकते उसको. आजकल का जनरेशन इज वेरी फास्ट पेस, सब कुछ बहुत जल्दी में चाहिए, बहुत शॉर्टकट में चाहिए. बट इफ यू वांट टू बिल्ड अप योर करियर, अगर आपको एक लॉन्ग टर्म करियर चाहिए, अगर इफ यू थिंक कि नहीं मुझे अभी से आई एम सेटलिंग इन फॉर अ गुड करियर, तो यू नीड टू डू द बेसिक्स राइट. अगर आपके बेसिक्स सही हैं तो उसके बाद आप स्मार्ट वर्क करिए, शॉर्ट वर्क मत करिए. स्मार्ट वर्क इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर. हर कोई आजकल स्मार्ट वर्क कर रहा है. And so that is why all the young entrepreneurs, the young marketers who are in this college, only piece of advice is do study well, smart work करिए, shortcut पे मत believe करिए, and yes, create the knack of understanding creativity, and then you will be a very successful marketer. बहुत अच्छा seller आप बनोगे.
Okay, it's a really valuable advice, sir. Moving to the next question, I would like to ask, sir, that artificial intelligence nowadays have transformed the world rapidly. Like
Right.
it's taking jobs away from the people, and in the same way, it's giving an advantage to some of the industries. So, how do you think of artificial advantage? Is it a boon or have a disadvantage in your industry?
Again, it is not a risk to employees. It is a very big boon. See, कोई भी चीज जब मार्केट में नया आता है, वो उसे कैसे यूज करना है, उसे पोर्ट्रे कैसे किया जाता है, दैट इज अ ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट बॉल गेम. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है कि AI इज गोइंग टू टेक एम्प्लॉयज डाउन, उनका करियर खतरे में है. AI को यूज करना आना चाहिए. सी, ह्यूमंस आर द मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट इन दिस प्लैनेट, राइट? वी हैव डिजाइन्ड AI. AI ने हमें नहीं बनाया. So coming about in this industry, in today's industry, AI is going to take places. अभी हमारे इंडस्ट्री में मेटावर्स है, हमारे इंडस्ट्री में AR चल रहा है, VR चल रहा है, रियल स्टेट पूरा VR पे चल रहा है. AR से ऑलरेडी लेंस कार्ट आपको पहले से ही दिखता है कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. So that is all augmented reality. That is helping customers. क्लाइंट को ज़्यादा समझ में आ रहा है, क्लाइंट्स को इंसाइट मिल रहे हैं. So all these technology when clubbed in together, we as digital creators have the responsibility to use them in the right way. So just I would like to sum it up कि AI is definitely going a long way and it is a big help for us.
Yeah, sure. So, sir, it's time to wrap up the podcast now. So,
Wonderful.
by this we are at the end of the podcast. So, it's been an absolute pleasure speaking with you. So,
Same
once
here
again,
and thank you so much.
So, thank you for taking the time to share your experiences with us. And to our listeners, I hope you found this conversation as enlightening as I did. So, stay tuned for more episodes with PCATS Pune Business School. And until next time, take care.